welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Josephine. You're a very big warm welcome to you. If you're an old friend, thank you very much for coming back. I haven't been uploading because my laptop is playing up with me. So today I'm gonna try to do one more video before I send it over. So we are making some lice soup, which is called a punch and crack. So what I'm gonna use is I've got my goat meat here with some smoked turkey, and we are going to use 2 chilies, 2 fresh tomatoes, and 2 carrots. That's what I'm gonna use, and I am gonna use some call it abidru, some call it susuaa, and we've got our I forgot the name of this. So these are the ingredients, and this is what I'm gonna season it with. I've got 1 big onion chopped in here, some ginger, and nkiti, which is anise seeds, and I've got my shrimp season here. So stay tuned and let's do this punch and cracker. It's gonna be very so our pot is ready, the meat is already washed, so I'm just gonna put them right in the pot. So one thing I forgot to show you, I've got fresh fish that I will add in, so I'm gonna blend this to season my meat to give it taste. And all this has been washed already, so it just goes in here. We cover it and add just a little bit of water to help it blend. Very nice. I didn't have garlic, so I've got the paste one already that I've already added to. So now I'm gonna put my salt. Guys, I don't measure salt, I eyeball it, so you use as many salt you want to use. Now we leave this to cook for about 10 minutes so that it gets nice and tasty. I am gonna add in my Prekese. I forgot the name. Now I got it now. So we cover it and we leave it to cook for about 10 minutes, guys. So our meat has been cooking for 10 minutes now, so I'm gonna blend the carrots. I've chopped them, and I'm using 2 chili and my tiger berries in here. So I'm gonna add 1 whole onion to it. If your blender is not that strong, I would suggest you boil the carrot a little bit before you blend it. That way, and I'm going to add in about 1/2 cup of water to blend, to help the blender. The tomatoes is not that strong like back home, so I'm gonna add them now, then I'll blend it in later on. So now our soup is almost done, almost. So there we have it. I'm going to strain it because of the tiger berry. Oh, someone is too close in there thing. my strainer. Then we strain it straight here. And oh, I forgot to show you guys, I am using fresh fish. So I will add fish to my soup today. I first add water before I strain it. So let's go straight to your soup. And if you're using like the thin tomatoes, this is the time you just have to blend it and let it boil a little bit. That's what I do. I just blend it with this, all the carrots and everything, then leave it in for about 5 minutes before I add water to it. So, but because I'm using fresh tomatoes today, I am not doing that. I'll blend the tomatoes later. So it can be light. I want my soup to be nice and light. So the water I need for the soup, that's what I'm adding in here. Like the whole cup of the blender. So that I will use it again in here. So I'll put, yeah. So now I have got how I want it to be. So all the tiger berry that it couldn't blend smoothly, I've got them out. Soup. So now this is our light soup. Hey, the way this house is smelling, so this is how I want it. I don't want it too thick. It's called light soup for a purpose. So let's leave our soup in. I'll add the fish halfway through because you don't want the fish to be in now, so I'll add the fish like halfway when the soup is almost done. Then I'll add in the fish so it doesn't overcook. So I'm gonna add one more onion, and I'm adding 2 more chilies if in case it's not hot enough for some of us. I like my chilies, but because Jaden eats some, I always have to think of him too. Not being selfish, mama. Alright then. So guys, our soup has been cooking for about 20 minutes now, so I am gonna add in the fish. Then I'll blend my tomatoes and onions. Now I've added in the fish. I'm gonna allow it to cook for another maybe 15-20 minutes. So while I've done that, I am going to put my tomatoes in the blender, and the onions, just to thicken the soup a little bit. Charlie. Everyone is invited. So I'm gonna cover it so that it goes, and let's blend this. And I'm not gonna add any water to this because the tomatoes is gonna be the base of it. This thing sometimes splashes on you when you open it. So there we go. It's supposed to be my smoothie blender, but my blender is not working, so we got to do, yeah, I didn't want it very smooth, so all right. So now I'm gonna add in the blended tomatoes and onions. if you want to rinse it, you can add water, or I use the same soup to just so that I don't add any more water to my soup. At this stage, you can taste for your salt if it's good enough for you or not, so you know what to do. So let's get a small spoon and just have a little taste for salt. Very nice. So I don't need to add any salt or anything, so I'm just going to allow it to cook, so the fish and the tomato, the blended tomatoes and everything will just marinate. Thank you. So I'm gonna do my fufu now. I didn't want to film the fufu because it's just the normal powder fufu, but well, while the camera is rolling, let me move this soup to the small gas while I do my fufu. Hey guys, our soup is ready now and my fufu is ready. So this is how it turns up. Very nice. And if you had more, so go bring your fufu, join us, let's have dinner together. Thank you very much for watching. And if you're new here, can you please hit the subscribe button? If you're an old friend, thank you very much. Thank you very much. God bless you all. Keep safe, be safe, and don't forget to love one another. God bless. Bye.